In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first names automatically on Mailchimp using the new Mailchimp email builder. This is a fantastic way to personalize your newsletters, making them more engaging and impactful for your subscribers. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't signed in already, go ahead and do that to get started. Once you're logged in, the next thing you should do is navigate to campaigns. Click on all campaigns, then choose create campaign, and from there select email. This pathway will lead you to create your email campaign right from scratch. Now, within the email campaign settings, you'll see different types of emails you can create. Here you have the option to select regular email or another type if you have a specific preference. Choose the type that suits your needs best, and then you're ready to move on to designing your email. Once you've selected the email type, go ahead and click on Design Email. This is where the fun begins. You get to start creating your email content. As you design, you'll need to click on a text block. This text block is where you'll be inputting the magic that makes personalized emails possible. In that text block, type the following merge tag: hi name, welcome to our newsletter. This merge tag is the secret sauce that will pull the first name of your subscriber into the email. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it. Essentially, Mailchimp will automatically substitute the name part of this tag with the subscriber's first name, giving your email a personal touch. To make sure everything is looking good, click on Preview and then select Enter Preview Mode. This will give you a sneak peek of how your email will appear to your subscribers, complete with their first names in place of the merge tag. It's always a good idea to double check that your personalized elements are working as intended. Finally, before you send out your email to your entire list, make use of the Send a Test email feature. This is an excellent way to verify that the merge tag is functioning correctly and that your emails look perfect in your subscribers' inboxes. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague just to confirm everything looks and feels just right. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Mailchimp email to automatically include subscribers' first names. Adding this personal touch can significantly increase engagement and make your communication more effective and meaningful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps elevate your email marketing game. Happy emailing.